Forgotten how much fun it is working on small boats in tight spaces. Trying to get these handrail guards off. Got the top set of bolts out, and now the hatch is in my way. So let's take this hatch off first. There's a lot of flathead bolts, which are a pain in the arse. Let's see how we get on. We've already dropped one nut in the puddle. Nice. Get that through fin out, but I don't want to take that one off because there's no access to the back of it. I'm going to have to cut this floor out because I think it goes at a right angle and then pops out in this one. Okay, there we go. All the deck fittings off. All hatches, all the little circular hatches are all cracked and fatigued, so they all have to be in the bin. Bigger hatches should be okay. Take a closer look another time. A few things that come out are probably not going to go back in, like some of the nav gear, so I might have to fill some of those holes. So next is filling, fairing, sanding, more filling, fairing and sanding, bit of repair work to do, clean up all of this from the solar panels, fill any damage, give it a good clean, prep. This will all be new non-slip. I'm going to use that Kiwi grip that I've used before, works quite well. Still not sure if it's going to be 1 pack or a 2 pack paint, and not sure if I'm going to spray it or roller and tip it. Yeah, there's a fair bit of like, I don't know if it's paint or gel coat, but sort all that out. Yeah, just a lot of sanding to come, I think, but generally it's alright. Pretty impressed. YouTuber I watch called Wildland Sailing, the bought this old abandoned catamaran, and there's a video in it, one of his videos, where he's emptying it out in a very similar method in the freezing cold in like Scandinavia, or it's a red light district, Amsterdam. Yeah, he's in Amsterdam, so just probably even colder than it is here. I feel your pain, mate. My hands have gone numb. Found a flag in the cabin, so must have been the last crew that did the Atlantic crossing. Inspirational Friends. I don't know if their website's still going, I'll check it out later. Yeah, look, 2016. So it's probably the last time this boat was used. So hopefully this is an actual video that makes it online, and if for some reason someone watches it, I hope you watch the next one. Maybe subscribe and like, I think that's what you do, and I'll keep going. Thank you very much.